Welcome to Custom Pool Pro's customer story. Hear about our customer's experience and what you can expect from us. What was your deciding factor for choosing Custom Pool Pros?
The deciding factor was definitely that after I made the phone call to Custom and spoke to Tom, we had a long conversation. We had several conversations about my specific situation here with time and getting it in before the summer was up. And I think that he gave me the confidence to proceed with them.
How was your experience when choosing options and materials for your new pool?
The choices of the materials are the best because they were the most expensive. I did upgrades on everything, probably the highest quality you could get.
How was the quality of work?
It was very good. The finished product is beautiful. We had different teams that do different things. You have the gunite and the rebar, and one particular person that worked here for most of the job was excellent, and he helped me with a lot of information, not being a pool expert. You know, that when I asked him questions, he would honestly answer them. So that was great.
Would you recommend Custom Pool Pros?
I would recommend Tom, to Custom Pool. We were able to go down there one time and look at marble, and they have a showroom there when there's a lot of tiles to pick and there's a lot of coping, there's a lot of choices. Oh, you could go down to his showroom, and he was there and very helpful with what he knows, So that was really a good thing. I would recommend for anybody.
At Custom Pool Pros, our mission is to transform your backyard into a personal oasis through exceptional craftsmanship, transparent communication, and unwavering reliability. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials paired with skilled artistry and an expedient work ethic to deliver stunning swimming pools that stand the test of time. From the first consultation to the final touch, we ensure a smooth, surprise-free process rooted in trust and clear communication. Let us bring your vision to life with a seamless experience that exceeds your expectations. Contact us today to begin a smooth journey to your dream backyard.